Hey guys, welcome back for another video. This is Master Pro, and in this video, we're gonna be doing a try not to flinch challenge. So basically, what that is like we're gonna be listening to ear rape, pure ear rape, and yeah, pure ear rape. Oh God, it's offensive. Should we watch it? No, I'm gonna watch it. No, I'm just kidding. But we're gonna be watching ear rape, guys, and I'm gonna be putting my volume so high. Like you won't understand like how hard it will hurt my ears. So guys, I'm gonna be putting a warning, and warning is to all headphone users. And like please put your volume down on your like TV, computer, your phone, wherever, or even in your headphones, because we're gonna be listening to pure ear rape, guys. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe down below. Comment down anything you want, guys. And I gotta tell you something at the end of this video because I tried to record, but the recording thing didn't work. So I'm gonna tell you later. And yeah, so let's get started. Oh, and I'm gonna be posting this link down below in the description. So I'm gonna be on the road to 20 subscribers because I'm regaining what I had in my past channel, which I'm gonna be talking about later. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna come back when the internet is working. So hold up. Okay, guys. So we're back and the video's working. And yeah, that's the warning that the stuff will be loud. So yeah, I'll put my volume up. Oh Jesus, that's so loud. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be stopping like this, like not at the video I'm recording, but this video around like 5 minutes, 5:14, because I want to see other videos, because like it's gonna be only on Thomas. So let's try to see. Guys, I don't know if you heard me, but I said that's rough because like you see this, like who's gonna like go from from this road all the way down here? Oh. Oh God.
So a couple of our songs are on this playlist called Play This at My Funeral by Ali Man. I just can't imagine anyone listening to this at a funeral. That's
Oh God. God, this is so loud. No, 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 no. What are you doing? Oh God. Oh God. Jesus. I'm just shocked by now. Like, oh God. Jesus Christ, he almost died. Oh no, dog. No, 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 no. I think the dog could get hurt like that. No, it could get hurt like that. I believe, cause like it's going fast. Oh, it's past 6 minutes, so we're gonna watch this and then we're gonna watch another one. Let's see how much time we have. We have enough. Wow. This series is amazing, guys. So we're gonna go to okay, so we're gonna go to another one. Okay, so let's go to let's see, cause I'm gonna put these links in the description, guys. So let's see, we're gonna watch like I don't know, maybe one, or maybe gonna watch like I don't know, Monster Cat release. Let's watch that, or we could watch. Let's see, I don't know. Most of you guys play Fortnite, right? So let's see what Fortnite ear rape is. And then after we watch like three of them, we're gonna go end the video from here. Oh well, so from after 2 minutes, we're gonna end the video. Oh God, Jesus. Oh my God, it's gonna be ear rape. Watch. How did I guess that? Ear rape. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh yes. Oh.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh damn son. Oh God, this is like some like I don't know, some like hypnotic stuff. Oh God,
Oh, you on some nut shit though, cuz? Like, why you outside like that, cuz?
Jesus. Oh,
He go off? Hey,
oh God.
he go off?
Oh, oh God. I don't like going through that bridge. I'm. Oh God. Oh, guys, comment down below if you would like to see some Fortnite gameplay because I just started it, so I wanted to see, like, how my skills will be on camera instead of off. Okay, so let's continue. Oh wait, I can't put that. I'm gonna get this thing demonetized. So I'm not demonetized. I mean copy strike. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Comment down below anything that you would like, guys, and I will see you next time. Peace. Oh yeah, and what I got to have to tell you was how the reason why I haven't been posting that much is because I've been thinking a lot about, well, I haven't been having time lately because, like, I have a lot of stuff on my mind lately. Like, like school and, like, just having my own personal time. And even when I do have personal time, it gets cut off easily. But, I also had my past YouTube channel in mind, and I was actually thinking about sending YouTube a reason why it should be back up. So if any of the YouTube, members are watching this, please put my channel back up because I I used to put family friendly content only, and like I got the copy strike like 3 times for no reason, and I didn't even do anything bad, like post anything inappropriate or like even take out music. And even if I did, I never took it out like more than, I don't know, let's say 1 time. But yeah, guys, so that's what I had to tell you guys. So if you're willing to be nice to if you're willing to be nice, can you please help me get my channel back on? And if I can, and if YouTube, I pray, and if any of the YouTube members are watching, I pray that you could please put my channel back up because I worked so hard on it and I gained so many subscribers and now it's just all gone to waste. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh wait, never mind. It starts from here. Wait. It starts from here. Right? Peace out.